There was a time when most people's idea of an everyday carry knife consisted of one of the many different types of traditional pocket knife patterns. Pocket knives can vary greatly regarding design, and for that reason you should pick one based on your intended usage. Perhaps no other tool is as versatile as a pocket knife. Always keep one within reach to quickly help out with any task during your day-to-day activities. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Benchmade Barrage 580 comes with a 154cm stainless steel blade, which is sturdy, rust resistant, and holds an edge well. It has Valux handle that makes it durable and stable, making it ideal for everyday use. It can be opened and closed quickly with either hand. Also, it offers a 100% ambidextrous design, and axis gets its function from a small, hardened steel bar, which rides forward and back in a slot machined into both steel liners. Besides, the bar extends to both sides of the knife, spanning the liners and positioned over the rear of the blade. Moreover, it provides two Omega-style springs, one on each liner. Give the locking bar its inertia to engage the knife tang, and as a result, the tang is wedged solidly between a sizable stop pin and the axis bar itself. The Spyderco Endura 4 is lightweight and distinguished by the skeletonized stainless steel liners and injection molded fiberglass reinforced nylon (FRN) handles. Also, the flagship version of the design includes a stout, saber ground VG-10 stainless steel blade with a choice of plain edge, combination edge, or spider edge configurations. Besides, its blade is supported by a sturdy backlock mechanism that locks it securely open when in use, yet allows easy ambidextrous lock release. Moreover, it has a bidirectional texturing pattern on the black handle, which ensures a secure, non-slip grip, and a 4-position hourglass pocket clip supports left or right side tip-up or tip-down carry. Another advantage is that the phosphor bronze bushings on the blade pivot smooth out of the open/close action. The Benchmade 940 Osborn has the axis lock, and reversible pocket clip makes the knife usable for right and left-handers. It offers the 6061-T6 aluminum handle, which is anodized green with 410 stainless steel liners and a purple titanium spacer on the handleback with custom ridges. Also, it has an S30V steel blade with a plain edge and a satin finish. Besides, the machined of aluminum and deep color anodized, the handle scales are a vibrant green color sparked by a color anodized titanium back spacer. Moreover, the liners provide a solid function for the axis lock and feature subtle finger treads for added blade control. Another advantage is that the handle design is slender, with a slight curvature and recessed contours for grip stability, and provides a stainless steel carry clip which is movable to either handle side. In at first place among the list of best pocket knives, we have the Kershaw Blur. It comes with a reversible pocket clip that allows you to carry tip up or tip down on the right side using pre-drilled holes. It features a tactical black finished blade with a plain edge, and an anodized aluminum handle with TrackTech inserts for superior gripping power in all conditions. Also, it has a diamond-like carbon DLC coating that offers unmatched beauty to complement increased hardness and wear resistance with reduced friction. Besides, the handle is made of 6061-T6 anodized aluminum and bonded with a discrete olive dye for added strength. Moreover, it comes equipped with speed-safe assisted opening for safe and comfortable one-handed blade deployment with the thumb stud. Another advantage is that it is feature-rich carry liner lock, securing the blade open during use for increased safety, and a reversible pocket clip for versatile carrying capacity. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to appreciate our work by hitting the like button. If you'd like to see more from us in the future, then go ahead and hit the subscribe and bell icons.